guys, welcome back. This is our testing of the candies from Harry Potter World. I'm gonna try them all. Queen Bee Fizzing Whizbees, delicious snack, everybody's favorite. It's supposed to have they're like a fizzing chocolate with a fruit inside. Like bees. Let's see.
Oh.
Look like bees. See? Looks like a bee. You want to try it?
You go ahead.
Just like a raspberry. It's like a. Just like they got Pop Rocks in there. They got Pop Rocks. They're popping right now. Next, chocolate fudge flies. Chocolate flavored fudge flies. No, those were good. Fizzing Whizbees. Remember that.
Where do we get it? At the Weasleys, right?
Weasley's Wizarding Weasleys. Weasleys or whatever. It's just hard to open. They're flies. Little flies. See? Bzzz. Those are good. Oh, what?
They're like creamy.
They're really creamy. It's good. It's a Shaka Chalk. Shaka Chalk. Add some shock to your chocolate. I think we need some water. Dark chocolate with some chili powder. I guess they have a kick. They come in like little broken pieces already. See? See. Good. I don't taste the heat. Oh. There it is. It sneaks up on you. Wow. That's actually pretty spicy. That's good though. They're dark chocolate. I don't know. Do they have milk chocolate too? You don't taste it right away, huh? Sneaks up on you. Ooh, wow.
There
it's getting hotter.
Yeah.
Yo, sherbet lemon. How do you open this?
Ooh. Ooh.
It's hot, huh? Yeah. There we go. Sherbet lemon. Lemon drops. What's wrong?
Last.
Yeah, probably should have done that one last.
You choose already?
Next up is the chocolate wands. They're milk chocolate. Come in a cool little box. Ooh. That's cool. It's gonna melt in my hand soon. Watch. It's cool. All right. Good. Very good. I'm trying not to eat the whole thing. Chocolate frog. Alright. There we go.
Save the plastic for the frog, because we have to wrap it up. We're not gonna eat all of it.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Try to save the plastic.
No, the plastic inside the frog.
Oh.
That one's okay.
Nice little case, just like in the movie.
Let's see what we get.
Let's see what wizard or or witch I get.
Show them the frog.
Here's a frog. Hopefully you guys can see that good. Looks exactly like a frog. That's cool.
Let's see what we get.
Alright, let's see which one we got. Godric Gryffindor.
Ooh.
That's a good one. See it, hologram. Cool. Got his little Gryffindor sword. One of the 4 famous founders of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Cool. Let's see. Try a little piece. Probably just a leg. There you go. Very good. One piece.
Later.
Man, all rich. These are good, very good chocolates. Okay, for the pricing on all these Whizbees, Frizzing Whizbees was $9.95. And the Shaka Chalk was $9.95 as well. Fudge Flies, those were $7.95. Sherbet Lemons, $12.95. The wands were $7.95. And the chocolate frogs, those are $10.95. But yeah, that's all the chocolate and candy we have for you today to try that we tried. Yeah, they're all very good. When you go there, make sure you get all of them. And we like to see your guys too whenever you guys do a little candy haul or test haul for all your candies. But yeah, check out our previous videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching. Peace out.